Good afternoon.
I want you to your name.
Okay, I'm engineer Dr. Fanny Polygnus.
So how is this program today?
Yeah, I think it's been a very, very fruitful one and innovating. Yeah, based on the presentations and all we'll be hearing all around. Food and the energy sustainability in the country, Nigeria today. It's been a lot of revealing, topics and all that. It's been fruitful.
Can you give us some points of the program that we are sharing with you people today?
Okay, yeah, generally, the overall program of which today is a part of is actually looking at the problem of the society and the problem of Nigeria at large, because the engineering profession is actually looking at problem solving. And today, the major problem we have is all around food security, and of course, energy is behind all that. So that is why we are looking at those topics you had been railing out today. So if we are talking of food security, if we are talking of energy security or energy sustainability, we are actually looking at those. What are those components? What are those tools? What are those things that will make us, what will make the society to actually continue to survive without having, short change, without having short supply of energy, short supply of food, and even, short provision of security around all that. And when we don't have security around the food and the energy, we are not actually sustaining it. So that's actually, and today, with the other underlying issues, people having had all we had today, we are now looking at what actually are going to be those other issues, those other challenges that had to be resolved. For example, if we talk of eliminating so number of, let's say, 2 million number of generators running on diesel in a particular given area in Nigeria today. So what is it going to be the next sustenance of the energy we call the energy supply source we call diesel? What's going to be the next business? What's the alternative? If we are eliminating generators running on diesel, that's good. We are going to now run them on gas. Then what's going to be the next business of the man or the company that is doing the diesel supply? So everybody has to be awake to the problems of the moment, because if we are talking of innovation, that innovation is not good. It's not going to pity a particular segment of the economy. So if I'm the diesel supplier, I need to look for another way of actually trying to sustain the diesel business so that the economy doesn't suffer. So those are it's all encompassing. It's all encompassing discussion, we're having today.
So which area do you want federal government to come in?
Oh yeah, where I would like the federal government to come in is this. I want them to come in into having total thinking, and we normally call it walk through and total thinking of any policy we are coming to put on the ground. Let there be a total think through, a total kind of a holistic kind of study. For example, if I say, okay, I want to use CNG, we've been running on diesel, we've been running on PMS. Let there be alternative business provision for that man who has been supplying those vehicles that are newly going to run on CNG. Because that man, if you put him out of business, definitely the economy will suffer. So those props, that hold our GDP up there. If you remove any of those props, definitely the GDP will suffer. So let there be a total think through, total walkthrough of any policy the federal government is coming up with. That's just it. So I don't want to say, federal government should come into security, come into food and not. No. We have enough policies on the ground. Let us think through all these policies and see where we need to provide alternatives, options, so that we don't provide A and then suffer under B. So that's exactly the kind of thing.
Thank you very much. What is your name for the record purpose?
Okay. Again, I'm Engineer Dr. Polymus Ifani Ebiogu, an electrical electronics engineer in the oil and gas industry.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Please, let's meet you by your name.
Okay, my name is Engineer Oliver Uchechukweze, a fellow of the Nigeria Society of Engineers and the Vice Chairman of NSA Abuja branch.
Okay, today, your branch won the first position.
Yes, we are the best among equals. And so the victory is not coming as a surprise. We are the best of the best branch of the Nigeria Society of Engineers worldwide. We have done it before. This is not the first time, it's not the second time, it's not the third time. And I can assure you that we will still continue to do it.
So what would you say has been that thing that made Abuja branch be the best?
Well, we pride ourselves as the best among equals. And a lot of factors are responsible for our performance as a branch. We have the best of members. Our members are very committed members, very willing to support, very willing to participate, very willing to carry the message of engineering across board. We are also blessed with very good executive committee members who are willing to sacrifice their time and other resources to pursue the vision and mission of the Nigeria Society of Engineers. And so we continue to push, we continue to serve as a source of solution to the avalanche of problems, whether engineering or environmental, facing humanity. As you know, engineering is about providing solutions. In 2025 in Ibadan, I have joked with my friends from Ikeja branch, from Lagos branch. They are threatening me that they will collect this trophy from me. But I told them, well, Abuja is not known for making mouths. Abuja is known rather for delivering results. We will meet in Ibadan. And I can assure you, from Ibadan, this trophy is coming back to NSA Abuja branch. We are confident, we have done it before, and we continue to do it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.